fostering a sense of significance and fulfillment. In today's world, many of us are witnessing a quiet crisis, a loss of meaningful roles and purpose in our lives. Whether that be through people choosing to stay single, or declining birth rates, or job replacement by AI and automation, people are feeling less connected, less valued, and more adrift than ever before. Remember Calhoun's Universe 25? In that experiment, overcrowding and environmental stresses led to social breakdowns. Mice lost their social roles. They became aggressive or withdrawn. Society spiraled into chaos. Today, in a different way, our society is experiencing a kind of Today, in a different way, our society is experiencing a kind of role loss, shifting, disappearing, or becoming meaningless, leading to social and psychological disintegration. Think about it. Traditional roles, being a parent, a worker, a community member, they have historically given individuals purpose and a sense of contribution. But now, many are facing a world where those roles are vanishing. Remaining single can leave individuals feeling disconnected from the idea of family. Even if married, many pressing factors are leading to declining birth rates, suggesting a societal shift away from parenthood as a core identity. And then there's AI-driven automation, which is threatening to replace jobs. Of course, this removes the sense of mastery and purpose that work once provided. This isn't just about individual sadness, it's a societal issue. When people feel that their roles are meaningless, their mental health suffers, social bonds weaken, and that sense of community erodes. Just like the mice in Calhoun's experiment losing their social roles, humans also risk societal disintegration if we don't find ways to restore purpose. So what can we do as a society to help our members feel significant and fulfilled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can redefine purpose beyond the traditional roles. You could encourage communities and institutions to create new roles, volunteering, mentorship, artistic expression, anything that fosters connection and purpose, regardless of family or employment status. Foster lifelong learning and mastery. You can promote education and skill development in all ages, helping individuals find mastery in new areas which can boost self-esteem and purpose. You can build stronger communities, support local groups, clubs, and initiatives that connect people around shared interests, creating a web of social bonds that reinforce purpose. You could implement policies supporting work-life balance and family life. You can encourage flexible work, parental leave, and community support systems to help people find balance and meaning in their personal lives. You can embrace technology as a tool, a companion, not a replacement. You can guide the use of AI and automation to free people from mundane tasks, allowing more time for creative, social, and meaningful pursuits. Just as Calhoun's mice lost their social roles under overcrowding and stress, humans also are facing a similar threat. We need meaningful roles to thrive. Our challenge as a society is to craft environments where everyone can find purpose, whether it's through community, creativity, or contribution. We can strengthen our social cohesion and ensure a future where everyone feels valued and fulfilled. Well, I am waiting to hear from you. Please, if you have any comments, leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell for notifications. Those simple things mean a lot to a little tiny channel. Until next time, my friends, so long from the channel at the end of the universe.